Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Elvie Marie G. Hermogenes, 42 years old. I am married and 6 children, ages 24, 20, 18, 13, 11, and a baby girl, but now she's my guardian angel. I am 1 year college undergraduate. I also experienced as a domestic helper in Singapore. My employer is Malaysian and Singaporean. I also clean the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, car washing, and take care of a dog. Ma'am and sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. I am a motivated, hardworking, honest, and happy person. I hope that I will be part of your family. I will treat your family as my own family. Thank you so much and have a good day.